Alright, so this is my first homemade stove kit. It's predominantly made out of steel and not the aluminum that I'd like it to be made out of. Being made out of steel means I have to oil it on a regular basis after I use it. This was a pickle jar lid and a bit of hanger with a little leather on it. The leather burns away every once in a while, but it's nice when it's extra hot to be able to grab that. I just stenciled my initials in on there. This is a peach jar lid, and it works good for a preheater for my aluminum alcohol stoves. This goes inside there. Put a little bit of alcohol in there. And one of these stoves on top, and it preheats it really quickly. Standard alcohol stove. I'm going to be doing a video on how to make those. Got another style of alcohol stove here I made. Pour the alcohol in the center and the jets come out. It's kind of a wedding tin type of stove. I got this at the convention I went to. Little bolt that goes in the center. This is canned sardines cup that I made. A little leather on the outside keeps it so that you can hold it even with hot drinks in it. Keep a pretty simple fork and spoon inside of it. Aluminum and steel, stainless steel. Got these at the dollar store. Picked up a bunch of them. Keep a lighter in there. In Arizona, a lighter will usually work. It never really gets quite cold enough to the degree that it's not going to work for you. A couple times in cold weather I've had to hold it and warm it up a little bit, shake it, and then it works. But this is my stand, my pot stand. It's just like that. This is my windbreak that I made. Just some aluminum sheeting. Some aluminum sheeting, a number of pins and such that I can use to hold it together. My wife's coming in behind me here and got the dogs barking. So this, and there's my baby. This connects and can go around the pot stand, and the pot fits right down inside it. Actually, it goes this way, so that the air can get in the bottom. Now, this is just a it's okay. He's a little upset now. This is my pot. It's made from, it was a can of cherry pie filling. And a little bit more hanger here. This is nice to use when you want to pour. Hold on to that. Pour. I've been using this one for a while, and now I want to make one out of aluminum. So I'll show you that video here in a little bit. I think I'll reuse a number of these components, but I'm going to get rid of using this. I'm going to get rid of using these pieces here.